What is good, everyone? Thanks for tuning in for another video. I just want to start off this video by saying thank you for all the love and support. I have finally reached 2K sub on YouTube, and that's pretty much it. Again, thank you. Now let's go ahead and get started on this video. Here we got my 2019 Mustang GT. Under the hood, we got the 5.0 liter V8 pushing out 460 horsepower, 420 foot-pound-feet of torque, and there's few mods that's been done to it. We're talking drop-in K&N filter, J&L oil catch can, and it is lowered on eBot Pro kit. Just letting y'all know, this is a 10-speed, by the way. And for exhaust, it is X-pipe with CNL axle back, no mufflers. Other than that, I think that's it. We're gonna go ahead and give some tests. We're gonna be doing some 0 to 60. We're gonna go ahead and give it 3 launch, and we're gonna see where it's at, you know, with this few mods. And also, according to my research, 0 to 60 on this 10-speed is 4.3 seconds. We're gonna see if we could beat that. Probably not, because you know we're on a street road, not on the track. But and also I am running a Turo AZ850 on the back, so maybe that will help out with the hooking. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into this. All right, before we get started on it, let's go ahead and turn off our traction. Double tap. Advanced tracks off. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and change the steering to sport. See if that helps out with, first launch. We're gonna rev it up to 1500 RPM. I was spinning there for a second, not gonna lie, but we did got 5.0 second on the first launch. On to second launch now. Let's rev it up to a little over 1000 RPM, just in case we spin out. So maybe right there. Okay, that was much better. 4.6 second. Woo! So that was about at 1200 RPM. So that was the second launch. We got 4.6 second. We're gonna go ahead and do the final launch. See if we can beat that. All right, on to the third run. All right, third final run. We're gonna launch this thing at 2000 RPM again. See if that helps. 2000. Spinning there for a second, so I got 4.8 second. That was a little slower. Let me give y'all a little bonus launch, man. One more. This time we're gonna keep it at 1200 RPM launch, or maybe 1500, because I think 2000 RPM might be a little too much. A Bowden's launch, we're gonna rev it up to around 1200 RPM. Let's do 1500. I think we should hook on that. 4.7, just 0.1 away from our best time. Damn. So according to the Ford advertisement, 0 to 60 is 4.3, so we're 0.3 away from well, they advertise it at. So I mean, I feel like I could do better on track, but it is what it is, man. We'll go ahead and do one more launch for y'all. We're gonna have to try and do on a 1200 RPM launch, just because 1500 was spinning. Damn, I was spinning there for a second. I don't know if y'all can hear that tire screaming, bro. But we had 4.8, so still couldn't beat 4.6. Yeah, there you go, YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and check our best time. Here it is, 4.6 second. 0.3 seconds away from what Ford advertised it at for 0 to 60. But I think we did pretty well. We could be doing better, but y'all go ahead and let me know down in the comment what's y'all best 0 to 60. It doesn't matter what car y'all got, you feel me? So just go ahead and let me know down in the comment. 4.6 seconds on my all time. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can beat it on later with some few more mods, you know. But other than that, thanks for tuning in for another video. Again, thanks for the 2K sub. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.